We need fair teams.
Fouls.
Because they have
fouls.
too many people and two good people.
Can I call fouls?
I'm open! Robin! Robin!
What am I gonna do?
Soccer!
Woo!
Hello! Thank you for not noticing me. Yeah, okay.
Each goal worth a certain amount of points, and 10 is the maximum.